Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Pokémon Sword and Shield through emulation. It's crucial to understand the specific console a game was released for, as this dictates the type of emulator you will need. We will cover the necessary steps to prepare your system and clarify which emulator is appropriate for these particular titles, ensuring a smooth experience. Citra is a well-known and highly capable emulator, but it's built exclusively for Nintendo 3DS games. This means it's optimized to run titles like Pokémon X and Y or Sun and Moon, which were released on the 3DS console. To use Citra, you would typically acquire legitimate 3DS game files and the necessary system firmware, then configure the emulator settings for best performance. It's important to note that Pokémon Sword and Shield were released for the Nintendo Switch, not the Nintendo 3DS. The Switch is a much newer and more powerful console, featuring a completely different architecture. Therefore, an emulator designed for the 3DS, like Citra, cannot run Switch games. Attempting to load Switch game files into Citra will not work due to these fundamental differences. To play Pokémon Sword and Shield, you would need an emulator specifically built for the Nintendo Switch. These specialized emulators are engineered to replicate the Switch's hardware and software environment. They allow you to enjoy your legally owned Switch game backups on your computer. Always remember to respect intellectual property and only emulate games you rightfully possess.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.